Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's exciting video. We're thrilled to introduce the 2025 Lexus RX 500h F Sport, a vehicle that combines luxury, cutting-edge hybrid technology, and high-performance driving in one sleek package. Whether you're looking for a stylish SUV or something that blends power and efficiency, the RX 500h F Sport has something special for everyone. We value your thoughts and opinions, so please don't hesitate to leave your comments below. What are your impressions of the new RX 500h F Sport? Do you think it's the future of luxury hybrids? We can't wait to hear from you. Before we dive into all the amazing features and details, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future videos. And if you're enjoying this content, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps us out. Stay tuned as we explore everything the 2025 Lexus RX 500h F Sport has to offer, from its powerful hybrid engine to its premium design and advanced technology. Let's get started. Introduction. The 2025 Lexus RX 500h F Sport is a luxurious hybrid SUV that redefines performance, efficiency, and advanced technology. As a flagship model of the RX lineup, it offers a thrilling driving experience paired with premium comfort and eco-friendly engineering. The 2025 RX 500h F Sport boasts a bold and dynamic exterior. F Sport design elements, a signature spindle grille, sporty bumpers, and aerodynamic body lines. Advanced lighting, triple beam LED headlights, and a striking rear LED light bar for a modern look. 21-inch alloy wheels, exclusive F Sport wheels enhance its road presence. Its athletic yet elegant design reflects Lexus's commitment to both performance and luxury. Performance features. The RX 500h F Sport delivers exhilarating hybrid performance. Turbocharged hybrid powertrain. A 2.4-liter turbo engine paired with an electric motor produces 366 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. Direct 4 all-wheel drive. Lexus's cutting-edge adaptive system ensures balanced power delivery for exceptional control and grip. Acceleration achieves 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.9 seconds, making it one of the most dynamic RX models ever. Driving modes includes Eco, Normal, and Sport S Plus for customizable driving experiences. This combination offers both power and precision, ideal for enthusiasts and daily drivers alike. The cabin of the 2025 RX 500h F Sport is a blend of sporty aesthetics and high-tech innovation. F Sport touches features like leather-trimmed sport seats, aluminum pedals, and exclusive interior accents. Advanced infotainment, a 14-inch high-definition touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Driver-centric features, a head-up display and an intuitive layout designed to enhance driver focus. Safety systems. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced parking assistant. This luxurious interior ensures comfort, connectivity, and confidence on every journey. Efficiency. The RX 500h F Sport combines performance with eco-friendly engineering. Fuel efficiency delivers an impressive 27 mpg combined, making it practical for both city and highway driving. Sustainability. Reduced emissions align with Lexus's vision for a greener future. Its hybrid system proves that sustainability and performance can coexist seamlessly. Conclusion. The 2025 Lexus RX 500h F Sport is an impressive SUV that offers a perfect mix of luxury, performance, and innovation. Ideal for drivers who want the thrill of a high-performance vehicle with the efficiency of hybrid technology, it's a testament to Lexus's pursuit of excellence in every detail.